our chapter is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So now what is meant by temperate evergreen forest? Temperate means the region between the Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. It is the region where moderate and sufficient rainfall is received by the trees in lower than tropics. Now, types of trees found here are mulberry, walnut, pine and oak. Now the most important and interesting part of this forest is that they are always evergreen. Temperate evergreen forest. Why do we call it evergreen? Because as there is no period of drought or frost in this region, they do not shed their leaves at the time. Therefore, always they remain green. So we name it as evergreen, temperate evergreen. And they're mostly found in southern China, southern eastern of Australia, and southern eastern part of Brazil and US. Now the types of the most common species of animals found here are wolf, antelope, bear, deer, etc. Now coming to Mediterranean forests. Mediterranean is the region near the Mediterranean Sea. It is also completely enclosed by lands of European and African continents and the temperature zone on the western side of the continents. Now forest is a collection of trees as we already discussed. Now what is the temperature here? The temperature is, it receives rainfall in the winter and has a dry summer. And so here we are talking about collective plants that grow in Mediterranean. So the kind of vegetation found in the area consists of broad-leaf evergreen shrubs, bushes and small trees like oak, olive, maple, cedar, pine, etc. And the climate over here is hot dry summers and mild wet winters. That is, it receives rainfall in winter as I said. And they are found in the southern western zone. These places are famous for growing citrus fruits like oranges, olives and grapes. That is why most common trees as I said are oak, olive and pine. We can find wolves, foxes, wild boars, rabbits, vultures and eagles in this Mediterranean forests. Now let us discuss about temperate deciduous forest. What is temperate deciduous forest? Similarly, we'll divide the words and understand what it means. Temperate, as already discussed, it is the same as we discussed a few minutes back. That is, it is found in the region of Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Deciduous means leaves fall off the tree at particular season. That is, they shed their leaves in the dry seasons, and these forests has good temperature and plenty of rainfall. And the most they are found in the cooler part of the temperate belt. And the most common trees found here are maple, ash, birch and Douglas fir, and they are found mostly in the parts of northwestern USA, Canada and northern part of China and Japan. And the most common animals we can see here are deer, wolves, bears and a large number of birds. Now coming to coniferous forests. What does coniferous means? What do you understand when we call it a coniferous forest? Coniferous is nothing but the region between 50 to 70 degree north latitude, and it lies between the frigid and temperate zone. The region around the forest is almost cool and long and snowy winters and warm humid summers. It is little snowy and warm humid summers, and large areas of the coniferous are covered with softwood forests, and the trees of these forests are very useful for making pulp used for manufacturing paper. And the variety of trees found in this forest are pine, cedar, spruce, and the very important thing is it is found in the areas like Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Canada.